Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I want to show you how you can download the best and the finest Windows Optimizer. It's called Optimizer. It's free and it's awesome. First thing what you have to do is go to Google and just type in GitHub Optimizer. It should be the first one. If it's not, just make sure the URL says github.com/Hellsberg, Hellzerg, who is the developer of this great application. And it's called Optimizer, right? You go to the GitHub page, and you can scroll down and you can read all the details and information. Here's a summary, and here's a lot of things that you can do. It also comes in many different languages. You can view the screenshots, and you can just read all this yourself if you'd like. I'm just going to show you how you can download it. What you do is click on right here, on the right side, click on Optimizer right here. It will take you to the releases page. Now, the latest one is version 15.6, and it was released 3 days ago. What's great about this app is it's always being updated to the latest version. As you can see, the previous release was in June 14. The other one was in May, another one in May, and the other one in April. So as you can see, it's like a monthly release cycle, as you can see. So what you do is, right here we'll say assets. If it's not collapsed, just click on assets, it will collapse for you, and you want to download the first one, which is Optimizer, whatever version it is at the time that you download the application .exe. So make sure you get the exe version. And as you can see, it's a pretty small file, only 2.19. It's basically only 2 megabytes. So once you downloaded it, you basically want to run it. Once you run it, it will look like this. Okay, right here it will list your version of Windows that you have. I have Windows 11 Home, and over here will say the version of the optimizer, which is the latest, as we previously saw, version 15.6. Now you can go here in options and you can change the language to whatever language you'd like to use. Okay, so under this options menu you can also check for updates, and as you can see, we have the latest version, so we don't need to update it. You can also change the theme, different colors. I'll just take the default one, which is like pink. Now let's go to the general tab right here. Oh, also before I do that, you can also start it with Windows if you'd like. So when you boot into Windows, the program will launch. Now let's go to the general section. General section is just, you can do system optimizations, disk drivers optimizations, apps optimizations, and also you can change the privacy settings. So you can also optimize for performance. If you click on all these options, it will give you a small window explaining what this does if you enable it. So optimize performance, it's a collection of internal Windows settings to optimize performance, completely safe to apply. What they do is, if you enable this, it reduces waiting times before killing unresponsive processes, decreases menu show delay time, disables low disk space, check notifications, disables shake to minimize feature, disables the always show file extensions. It will also disable it will show hidden files. So that's what this one does. And you can click on all of them to see what they all do. Okay, now these are just the general optimizations that you can do. Now let's get deeper, which is Windows 11 optimizations specifically. As you can see, Windows System optimizations, Windows Update, Taskbar, Extras, Touch, Gaming, Privacy. And you can also uninstall unwanted UAW apps. So for example, I have all of these on my PC. I can either select all of them and I can uninstall them, which will give me a lot of space. And you can click this right here to show only uninstallable apps. So these are all uninstallable. Okay, yours might look different, of course. Now, if you uncheck it, it will show the ones that are also uninstallables, but it gives you an option to install them, of course, uninstall them. So that is another thing, another cool thing. Now, this is the startup section. So all of these are applications and items on my PC which start up. When I open up my PC, all of these start up. Now for me, I have them all disabled, so almost none of them start up, which is a good thing because it makes my PC faster once I boot into it. It doesn't have to start up a bunch of applications. Okay. Now here's also, you can install applications. These are applications that many people use. They're pretty popular, so you can quickly download and install them. For example, if you want to download and install, let's just say Skype, you just check it and you download it. You can also check here to download after installing, so it will download and install automatically. And as you can see, there's a whole bunch. System tools, internet browsers, or anything related to internet, like Epic Game Store, EA Origin, Steam, Battle.net. These are everything related to coding and video and sound. Pretty cool, right? Now here's the cleaner. It's called the cleaner tab. All right, this will clean Windows temp files, BSOD, that's black screen of death, mini dumps, error reports, and will also empty your recycle bin. You can pick also to clean out your browser cache, cookies, history, and it supports Internet Explorer, Brave browser, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Chrome, etc. From my experience, if you check everything here and you can clean, it will remove a lot of space. You will have a lot of space in your PC. Of course, you can also analyze it before you decide to clean it. Pinger, you can basically ping IP addresses, and you can figure out, your latency. This will edit your host file. You can edit it. You can restore the default. You can also clean out your registry and fix common registry issues. Enable all. This is what I basically do. I click enable all, and I just click fix, and it fixes everything. This will show all your hardware specifications for your PC, which is pretty cool. You can do detailed view, or you can do just basic view. And that's really it, guys. It's called Optimizer. It's free. It's really awesome. It does what the name is. Optimizes your PC. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Take care, everyone. Peace.